Hi everyone, my name's Danielle and welcome to another episode of Board Game Bakes. This is a fun show where we make board game themed pieces and components as edible treats, and then we get to play the game with the treats. So it's actually been a while since I've done one of these videos because I've been sending my games out into the world, but this week I'm joined again by my husband Ben.
Oh.
And this week the game we're going to do is Crazy Tower. So if you missed the video on how to make the tasty peanut butter pieces, I love peanut butter.
It smells like peanut butter in here
I'm
now.
so hungry. And these graham cracker boards, then watch the video from Tuesday. First I want to tell you a little bit about Crazy Tower. It's produced by Synapses Games and distributed by Luma Imports. It's a fun game that's kind of a combination between Tetris and Jenga, I'd say. You have fun tiles. This is the actual game piece. So you have fun things where you want to lay pieces on it and avoid the red spots. And then there's extra tricks. There's the option to switch tiles with another player, or you can sneakily remove one from lower off and give it to your person. And then the last one I think is you had to go 2 times in a row. But basically, like Jenga, where instead of pulling things away, we're going to be laying our pieces so this way they don't cover up any of the red. And that's pretty much it. It's a fun light game. I've played it with our 4-year-old and he likes it. We may cheat a little bit, but it's still fun. So we'll see how it goes. I was supposed to have more graham crackers, but they're a little thick. So I'm not sure if it's actually going to topple over or anything. So
when you follow her recipe, make sure you just go even thinner than she did. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Worst case, you watch and we have a pretty tower.
Worst case, we play with cards and we just smash it down.
I don't know if these will fit on the cards.
And smash it down.
And smash it down. Okay. Well.
Would you like to go first?
Alright, remember, you can either put one on, or you can put one of these on and a brick on.
That's true. And it's more important when you have more than 2 players, but you can only have one of each color on each layer. Otherwise, you need to put another cookie on top.
Mm-hmm.
So each turn, you have the option to put one down, or if there's no plays, then you just add a cookie and then put one down. And another fun rule is that you could have it go off the edges.
Yep.
So maybe I'll do that intentionally because we only have so many cookies.
Oh yeah, no, I'm probably going to play to make this
very
ridiculous. Get to play my first tile. I think that's upside down, but
yeah.
okay.
I mean, the actual pieces don't have a right way. Hey.
What?
I only have so many tiles here.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe take this a little too literally.
What? We're making this baby fall.
It did say that it doesn't have
You can offset them.
It does say you can offset.
You can
it
offset
doesn't have to line
them
up.
all you want.
Well, it is called Crazy Tower. I'm afraid. I can't do that. I'm gonna go over here. Try and balance it out.
This is great. Excuse me, pardon me. Excuse me, pardon me. Okay.
Are you gonna be bold and put that extra one there?
I don't think that's gonna work.
Come on, we can end it really quick.
No, gotta change my mind here. Oh, nope. Okay.
Pretty sure this was a card, but it died.
Yeah, but we're playing with these.
So now if you cover this, right now there's 2 arrows here. If you cover that, then we switch.
Alright, there we go. We balanced that a little bit. So whatever they do, put it on there.
Then you get to pick a tile to switch with the other person.
Must pick unplayed blocks with another of their choice. Interesting.
Your turn.
That's not gonna work there.
You'd have to use your 1 people.
Why? Oh, let me see.
To make it work?
Sort of the. I could have it edging off. Just
Could you?
maybe. All right, so I give you one of mine.
Yep, and you take. He took my one and he gave me this.
I gave her the big one. It's all right. Make it fall, baby. Make it stop sniffing.
They smell so good.
And it's graham cracker too. It's still your turn. I put my little red one on.
I don't have another little one. You took it.
I did. You could put another tile on. Weebles wobble.
There's nothing that I could play.
And you can put this however you want.
No, it's not gonna work. Guess I gotta go.
You can also go like this way.
It's true. There you go. And this one means I get to take one. Whoever pulls it gets to take an opponent's one from below and give it back to them.
Sure. Just try that without it falling over.
Exactly. I do this guy.
Okay. Pull an opponent's out, huh? I don't see that being a possibility. Wait.
No, you could
take a little green one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You could pull it. I just like hard to see from over here.
Just don't think it would happen.
Can't do that one. That's a different color.
Can't have two of the same color at the same time?
Nope.
I think I might have cheated earlier then. I'm not certain.
Here you go.
Oh. Rude.
Are you gonna do it?
I can do what?
Put two there so you can dangle off.
Friction of cookies is better than friction of block.
Well, I don't think any of my pieces are gonna work there. So.
Yeah. You also say you can only put.
Well, I guess that's true.
Beautiful.
I know. Scares me. Well, if I want to get ahead, this one, the purple thing, means I get to do two in a row.
You want less points. Why aren't you using one of your big ones? I mean, never mind. I'm just saying you have these two honkers.
Fine, I'll go like this then.
Oh, sure. Cover it all up.
And then I'll do this. Come back here. Excuse me. When I take pictures of this, they are nice and lined up and it wasn't going anywhere. Just give a little poof. Shows only do one hand. I wonder if we've been cheating.
What do you mean one hand?
Like, we could only use one hand to put them on. I feel like we've been pretty good.
Pretty sure we haven't used two hands. You're not going to be able to put
okay.
it.
Yeah, anyway, because I got my two.
There's only one place you could put that on. It's not gonna, you can, sure, right. Wow, way to just take up all of the board, because that's technically taking up that one too.
How far you let it nudge mine over?
Physics of cookies!
Well, there's no more cookies left, so unless I want to put a card on it.
Yeah, I think we just play until we put our cookies on. I can put a yellow one on. Well, if you put the yellow one on, does that mean I can't put a yellow one on? I don't know how that works.
I don't know. But I guess I'm trying to go over here.
Oh yeah, no, you blocked me by putting that yellow one on.
Can you take a picture before it dies?
It's recording right there. It should be fine. So the only thing I can do is put this little purple on, and it's my last move. It's complete!
Put a card on if you want.
It's a little small.
Good try.
This covers the, whole thing. I think we just score where we're at.
Okay.
So, then we play again and see what happens. So, 3, 6, 10, 12.
I don't know what the score is. And these are all
All
4?
those are all 4.
Well,
That one's a 3.
So, 15?
Woo-hoo!
I just want to knock it over.
Well, you can... We'll say I pseudo one here. Now you can put a card on if you want and see what happens. Dark copy.
Yep, dark copy.
See, this card is a little smaller than the rest, so...
Well, we'll just pretend.
We'll just pretend. We know where it should go.
I guess it's my turn.
Like, we know what you're intending there. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Sure, honey.
Okay, maybe it'll look a little silly.
Yeah, well, it's okay. We know what the card's supposed to
I
look
can't
like.
do that one. Well.
Alright, give me another card.
Ooh, this one's a fancy one. It's got 2 things.
2 things. What do those do? When a player covers this, when they move a block from a lower floor and give it back to the person. Ooh. Ah. But then
This
you
one
can.
here just really wants to
But
get
then you can
yanked.
just exchange a block with an unplayed block. Sure. Here you go, honey. You want it to collapse for all its glory.
Yes and no. I'm not sure if I want the ones up top to be there before it collapses.
Well, they're there.
Go for it.
Ooh, that's a lot of weight.
It's always going, there's the wiggle. You're too efficient. Well, since I have this, I'm gonna use the other one anyway. Can I do it? I don't think this is gonna work.
As you push the card in. So now you exchange one for another.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I still like it. Oh, well.
Need more room in the card.
I like going for those take one thingies. I didn't say I want to do it. I just like them being there. Do it. Just pull one out.
Okay. By the way, this is all the structural integrity. Oh, it's gonna fall toward me though. Oh wow. Oh nope. Okay, we're gonna do the wiggle. Ha! Ah!
Yay!
There you go. So I won the cookie version, and then I lost the real one.
Yeah, lost can be a strong word because I was like, pull the cookie out.
Pull it! Take the cookie! I'm not gonna do it. Pull the cookie! Pull it!
I just kind of want to see how precarious a tower we can make.
Sure, go. Precarious. You can't actually do that in the game, honey.
Well, the game would be on the ground.
What do you mean on the ground?
They're flat cards.
Oh. You're saying that it wouldn't matter at the beginning.
It wouldn't matter. Right? I can't do it. I do the same thing with a different color.
Okay, cool. Not even going over there. Guess I gotta start one here. Okay. Do a little balance.
You gotta switch one.
No, I immediately play again.
Oh, yeah.
This is precarious without falling, right?
No, no. I'm on the wild side. I win! Well, thanks for watching another playtasting video. If you like the video, well, I guess we usually eat it too.
Are we not allowed to eat these, or?
We can now.
Because these are just ours this time, right?
Yeah.
She keeps sending the good things away. You know, she goes and plays truffles with other people. Ship-shaped look delicious. I finally get the cookie and get to eat it.
It's true, it's peanut butter.
I'm going to use a red one because red's my favorite color. Mmm. Yep. Nothing like getting to play a game and eat it too.
Yeah, I made a mistake with these. These peanut butter cookies are really too tasty. I try not to eat a lot of my creations, but these are very tempting. Are you bored? You feel like bored too.
Nope, graham cracker.
A little sweetness too.
Well, it's covered in icing.
Hence a little sweetness.
A little sweetness.
Thanks for watching another playtasting video. If there are any other games that you'd like to see, comment below. Keep playing games and keep them sweet. Bye!